Hey everybody, it's Bill the RV Guy here at Leo's Vacation Center. I got something new to show to you today. It's a new updated floor plan from Paradigm. It's a 380 MP, a mid-bunk, mid-office, whatever you want to use that spare room for. After the video, I'm going to post a walk around from the manufacturer. It's much more detailed than mine because it's cold out here. And I'm just going to do a quick walk around, show you what we've got on the lot, do some more research. It's an awesome fifth wheel. Great mid-bunk. I'm going to give you a quick tour. Come on. Thanks for watching this quick walk around of the 380 MP Paradigm from Alliance RV. I'm Bill the RV Guy, and you can check out a little bit more detailed walkthrough from the factory in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.